Listen up, good people. We all work hard for our money. The last thing we want is to owe the IRS come tax time. That's right. Uncle Sam doesn't play when it comes to collecting what he's owed. But here's the good news. Avoiding a big tax bill or even getting money back is totally doable. It's all about being smart and proactive throughout the year. Think of it like this. A little planning goes a long way. We're going to break it down step by step so you can keep more of your hard-earned cash. No more tax time surprises. No more stressing about owing the government. Let's get started. Contact Bell's Accounting Tax and Notary Services for all your tax needs. Visit our website or call us at 916-705-0868. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep everyone ahead of the tax game. All right, let's talk about withholdings. You might have noticed that your paycheck isn't as big as you expected. That's because of withholdings. You know, that chunk of money that gets taken out of your paycheck before you even see it. It can be a bit of a shock at first, but there's a good reason for it. It might seem like a drag, but it's actually your secret weapon against a big tax bill. Think of it as a way to manage your tax obligations throughout the year. See, withholdings are like paying your taxes in advance, little by little, throughout the year. This way, you won't be hit with a huge bill all at once when tax season rolls around. The key is to make sure the right amount is being taken out. It's a balancing act that requires some attention. Too little, and you could get hit with a bill in April. This can be a nasty surprise if you're not prepared for it. Too much, and you're giving Uncle Sam a free loan. Essentially, you're letting the government hold on to your money interest-free. Talk to your HR department or check out the IRS website to figure out how to adjust your withholdings. They can provide guidance on how to get it just right. Trust me, getting this right can save you a major headache later on. Not only will it help you avoid a big tax bill, but it can also ensure you get a nice refund. So, take a moment to review your withholdings. It might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your financial peace of mind. Remember, withholdings are there to help you. By managing them properly, you can take control of your financial future and avoid any unpleasant surprises. So, next time you look at your paycheck, don't just see the money that's missing. See the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're on top of your taxes. Now, let's talk about receipts. I know, they can be a pain. But trust me on this one, keeping good records of your income and expenses is crucial. Think of it like this. Every receipt, every invoice, every bank statement is a piece of the puzzle that is your financial life. When it's time to file your taxes, you'll need all those pieces to paint a clear picture for the IRS. So, get yourself a folder, a shoebox, or even a fancy app, whatever works for you, and start organizing those documents. Your future self will thank you. Here's the fun part. Deductions. These are expenses that you can subtract from your income, which can lower your tax bill. There are tons of deductions out there, so it's all about knowing what you qualify for. Did you know that you might be able to deduct expenses related to your job, your home, or even your kids' education? That's money back in your pocket, folks. Do your research, talk to a tax professional, and make sure you're taking advantage of every single deduction you deserve. It's like getting a bonus from Uncle Sam. Section 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Tax pros are your secret weapon. Let's be real. Taxes can be confusing. It's not just about filling out forms. It's about understanding what each form means and how it applies to your specific situation. There are forms, rules, and regulations that can make your head spin. The tax code is constantly changing, and keeping up with it can feel like a full-time job. But that's why God created tax professionals. These experts are trained to understand the complexities of the tax system. These folks eat, sleep, and breathe taxes. They spend years studying and staying updated on the latest tax laws and regulations. They know the ins and outs of the system like the back of their hand. They can spot deductions and credits you might miss. Don't be afraid to reach out to a qualified tax preparer or CPA. They are there to help you, not judge you. They can help you navigate the complexities of the tax code and make sure you're filing correctly. They can also help you plan for the future, ensuring you make the most of your financial situation. Think of it like this. Hiring a tax pro is an investment in your financial well-being. It's not just about getting through this year's taxes. It's about setting yourself up for success in the years to come. They can save you money, time, and a whole lot of stress. So, don't hesitate. Reach out to a tax professional today and take the first step towards financial peace of mind. Section 6. Budgeting like a boss. Making room for Uncle Sam. Now, let's talk about budgeting. It's a crucial skill that can make a significant difference in your financial health. I know, not the most exciting topic, but bear with me because it's more important than you might think. Trust me, having a solid budget is key to staying on top of your finances, including your taxes. A well-planned budget can help you avoid financial stress and ensure you're prepared for any unexpected expenses. The goal here is simple. Make sure you're setting aside enough money throughout the year to cover your tax liability. This means planning ahead and being proactive about your finances. That way, you won't be caught off guard when tax season rolls around. Instead, you'll be ready and able to handle your tax obligations without any last-minute panic. There are tons of budgeting apps and tools out there to help you get started. These tools can simplify the process and make it easier to keep track of your finances. Find one that works for you and make it a habit to track your income and expenses. Consistency is key, and the more you practice, the better you'll get at managing your money. Your wallet will thank you. Not only will you feel more in control, but you'll also have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Section 7. Taking control of your money. A recipe for financial freedom. Listen, managing your money and staying on top of your taxes is all about taking control. It's about making smart choices today that will set you up for success tomorrow. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Educate yourself, seek professional advice when needed, and remember that knowledge is power. By following these tips, you're not just avoiding tax debt, you're building a solid foundation for your financial future. And that, my friends, is something to be proud of. Section 8, stay informed, stay ahead. Knowledge is power. When it comes to taxes, the tax code is constantly changing. New laws, regulations, and deductions pop up all the time. That's why it's crucial to stay informed. Don't worry, you don't have to become a tax expert overnight. Just make it a habit to check in with reliable sources like the IRS website or financial news outlets. Staying informed will help you make the most of your money and avoid any surprises come tax time. Section 9. You got this. A final word from your Uncle Steve. Look, I get it. Taxes can be intimidating, but remember, you don't have to face them alone. With a little planning, preparation, and the right guidance, you can conquer tax season like a boss. So, go out there, take control of your finances, and make Uncle Sam proud.